Green hydrogen is one of the most promising solutions to store renewable energies and for sustainable transportation, especially heavy mobility and long-distance trips. But hydrogen has to be compressed, and this is a big challenge due to the small size of the molecule. EIFHYTEC develops a breakthrough solution replacing mechanical compression with a thermochemical effect in so-called metal hydrides. Thanks to the absence of moving parts, we increase the reliability and we divide the cost by 3. This is a game changer that makes green hydrogen finally possible. Storing energy in hydrogen is a very good way to use resources. Hydrogen tanks require only limited quantities of standard materials like polymers and steel, and our technology uses no critical raw materials but only standard metals that can be sourced everywhere and recycled infinitely. And last but not least, we create local qualified jobs, and thereby we contribute to invent a sustainable future for the generations to come.